What's going on, guys? This is going to be a quick video on how to fire up a React project using Vite. But first, let's have a moment of silence for Create React App. Create React App, or CRA, is no longer being maintained. People are complaining it's a lot bigger and slower than it needs to be. There's much more efficient and faster ways to use React with not as much code. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use React with Vite. It's pronounced Vite. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use React with Vite, which is a French word for fast. I don't get it. Vite is a local development server for Vue and React project templates. It has support for TypeScript and JSX. It uses Rollup and ESbuild internally for JavaScript bundling, which is a lot faster than Webpack. Webpack is used in Create React App. When you use Vite as opposed to Create React App, you also don't get extra packages for testing, web vitals, and React scripts. So essentially, all this to say, Vite is a build tool that provides a faster development experience and uses less code. Now let's fire up our terminal and our code editor and let's get into it. So I'm on vitejs.dev here, and I will click Get Started. I'll scroll down to Scaffolding, our first Vite project. And we have this npm create Vite latest. I'm going to copy that command, go over into our terminal here, paste that in there, and project name, I'll just say Vite React, and then it lets you select a framework, and you can click React, and then you can click TypeScript or JavaScript. There's also this SWC, which stands for Speedy Web Compiler, which is a compiler written in Rust. It's very fast. I've heard that not as many plugins or dependencies will work if you use that, although I'm sure most are fine. But Vite is insanely fast already. So I'll just go to a basic JavaScript one, and look, already done. And so we'll change directory into our project. And then with Create React App, it did run npm install for you when you started Create React App. So in this, you have to do it yourself, which is fine. And Create React App took, like, not forever, but it took a while. And, you know, with Vite here, 9 seconds, which is awesome. But I'll show you how fast your saved changes update in the browser due to hot module replacement. It's very fast. It's very cool. So we're going to open this up in our code editor with this code period shortcut in the terminal. And I have a video on how to do that if you want to get that set up if you don't already. Let's see. So package.json, you see the dependencies are just React and React DOM. So there's no testing, there's no web vitals or React scripts. You have some dev dependencies which help for a faster and better development experience, which is cool. Go to the source here. You have your main.jsx where we attach React to the DOM, just a couple of CSS files, and this app.jsx file which we'll be rendering. So I'll show you how fast it updates in the browser here. Bring this over here. Run this with npm run dev. And then localhost 5173. I'm going to open that in the browser by holding Command and double clicking it. Bring that in screen here. I'll show you this little update. So this is the Vite logo here. And I'm going to click Save Now. And it updates super quick. Very cool. Pretty much an instant refresh. And yeah, so it's just a, small little scaffolding of a project to get you up and running. And then you can create, any kind of folder structure you would like to use. Do like a pages folder. You do a components folder, hooks folder, layouts folder, maybe a store folder if you're using Redux. And then I'm going to show you how to add Tailwind, but I'm going to do that in the next video for people that just want to know how to do that. And so that's it. Just a quick video on how to get a React project up and running with Vite. It's Vite, an alternative to Create React app. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos on React and web development, and thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.